I didn't want that.
I know.
I'm never going out there and traveling again. I don't care if a shit who said what.
No.
No.
It was been weird.
That'd be crazy. I'm like, no. No.
At least the guy came today. That's good.
That's good.
After 4 weeks, 5 weeks, he came.
Tiki Carlos.
I thought it was a joke when he was coming. So his truck, I was like, oh my God, you're here? I never expected you today. Well, there should be that goo in there because we have dogs. You want to spray, so you get goo in.
I did not mean to do that.
I don't care.
What the fuck?
No, that's all right.
Okay.
Get it out. At least you had no toxic chemicals in here.
What?
At least
I
he
didn't
had.
want to do that.
It's all right. This.
See this mail? I don't know.
What is it now?
Oh, the jacket snapped. Oh. Oh no.